I'm back here with a look at Caspa. Boy, boys, it feel good to be heading up, huh? This looks like a five wave coming up right here. We've had a pullback here. Let's take a look at this. Had a pullback right down near that 618. Look at that. That would have been a nice entry right there. I've been in numerous longs. I've been posting over there in Discord all day long. We're right in the middle of a Pepe trade right now. So if you're interested, it's a level 3 membership. Please go check it out. It's only 15 bucks. Get you a bunch of videos to teach how to start charting 10 hours worth and get you a link to the Discord to come trade with us. So if that interests you, please go look at it. We have over 200 people in there. So looks like we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 wave coming up here. All right, if you look out here on a 4 hour, you can see we are right up against that 702 right now. Okay, so are we going to bust through there or not? Well, on the Fibonacci levels up through here, if we put a level right on here right now, okay, we're up through, we're past the 786. So this definitely looks like a wave 5 coming up to roughly 1887. All right, then we're going to take a look here at the bigger picture of this thing in just a second, because we got some exciting stuff going on, guys. 100%. All right, I'm going to pull this chart over here. All right, yeah, you can see Caspa coming right back down to a trend line right now. But we got to take a look at a few other things, what we got going on here, because some serious stuff going on in the market. Let me get my Caspa chart, and that's where all my stuff is at here. Okay, first Bitcoin. Let's go out here on a 12-hour. Open this chart up, because you can see here we got some interesting levels coming up through here. Okay, first of all, we all know we were watching that 60,000 bucks for that break. All right, we've had our eye on that. We got that breakout. Now we have a run up here started. Okay, now if we put a Fibonacci on here, you can see we are right up near a 618 right now. We're slamming right into it. Look at that. Now, another thing we got going on, pretty obvious. All right, this is a long 3 wave right in here. Okay, so we have 5 waves going up in here. 1, 2, 3. Is this where 3 stops, or is it going to continue up through that 618 and 702? Okay, or is it going to stop here? Probably get a pullback down right around, close to that 59,000 bucks, wave 4, and then boom, a wave 5. All right, it's just a matter of where this thing is going to stop. Okay, is it going to stop where it's at now? Is it going to push a little higher? That's the question. All right, but on the 12-hour, we are right up at the very top here. No bearish divergences down there. The daily, no divergences there either. That daily is at a 100 and a 96. The 3-day, these look fantastic, guys. I mean, I haven't been this excited for a long time. I mean, we had a massive pull down, typical bull run pullback though. I mean, when compared to the last bull run, all right, that's about 27%. If you come down here just very quickly, all right, we're going to take a look. I mean, the very first pullback we had last time here, last bull run was right here, okay, right on here, and it was almost exactly the same amount. All right, look at this. This one here was roughly 29, 30. All right, so pretty close. I mean, you get some massive pullbacks. They happen all the time. Big shakeouts. People saying, "Oh no, it's a top." Look at this one. Another 25% there. They're all through here. Just huge pullbacks. We're gonna have a lot more. All right. That one was 27, and then the big 50%er here, 55. All right. So they happen all through here. Don't let them shake out, especially when we're way up here. Getting way past these retracement levels now. Okay, Bitcoin on the bigger picture. We're bouncing right off the 702. We pulled up, we pulled back, and hit right off the 702 Fibonacci level, right there. Perfect bounce off of it, and heading up. All right, the breakout, the number we're looking for here off the top here, off this bigger move, is up towards $86,000. So we have the RSIs heading that way. The 3-day heading up, the 5-day. Look at this, beautiful. right down here in the bottom, still nice and low. Lots of room to push up. Man, the weekly. You know, look at the weekly. Look how much room it has down here. I mean, it has room to head up there now. You know, the question is it going to do it now or not? The monthly is flipping back around. You can see it turning up there. You know, like I said, you know, ever since Bitcoin, well, this goes back to the 2017 bull run, but you've had lower, you know, bearish divergence the whole way through here. So this is eventually going to come up here probably and hit this. You know what I'm saying? More than likely, maybe up here. We'll see what happens then. Maybe gets up towards 100, you know, 200, whatever it's going to get to here, and gets pushed back here. I don't know. We'll have to see when it gets there. It has a long ways to go to get there. That's on a monthly chart, right? So Bitcoin's looking fantastic. Over here, I'm going to go through these very, very quick. We got the total 2 wedging up, pushing towards the upside. The weekly RSI heading towards up. The total, that was the total, I'm sorry. The total 2 wedging up also, weekly heading to the upside. And the total 3, this is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, weekly heading up. Okay, this is where all of our altcoins are going to make a massive, massive push, guys. Especially once we break out the top of this. That's going to be a historic run here, up to 1.6 trillion. Right now we're at 600,000. So that's almost what, a 2x from here. You know, a push up to 1.6 trillion. You think that'll do something for your wallet? Look at this. That's a 157%. Okay, but what that will do with the numbers over here on these altcoins is going to be unbelievable. Caspa, everything is going to just absolutely explode. All right, we're going to take a look at Caspa here next. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day. Making a comeback here for sure, right? I mean, where we were, if we go out to the week, great week. Look at these numbers. Excuse me. Gained a lot back in a week from where we were a month ago. I mean, we were just getting absolutely crushed. We're still down for the month. I mean, some of these are down big time for the month. There's Caspa plus 17% for the month. You know, pop. I don't really like talking about stuff like that, but OM, is this a meme coin too? OM, market cap $1 billion. Oh, Mantra. I'm sorry. Okay. I know that's a meme coin maker. It's good to see these other ones. Aave, Tron. Look at Tron. Justin Sun, you know, TRX. Wow, that's an old school coin there. Love to see that pop in. VeChain, Near. I put a video out on Near. We got along on Near there just a couple days ago. Yeah, market is looking great, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Let's pull Kaspa up. Number 25. 69 million in volume. $4.38 billion market cap. All right, right now we are at 18.1. For the day, we're down 0.4%. We're up 6.3 for the week and 17.5% for the month. All right, now let's go over here and take a look at this chart. Let's get, yeah, here we go. All right, yeah, we're coming right up against that 702 right now. Okay, I'm expecting that fifth wave to come out of here. I mean, we broke through Fibonacci levels in this push right here. All right, now if we break through this whole shebang here, all right, which you can see right here. This goes back the whole way to what, June 30th. All right, this top right here, and here is what's happened since. You know, our next target up there, right about 23 cents. All right, is what we'll be heading for. Now I'm expecting that wave 5 to come in here and a push up. Let's see if we're on here. A little bit more. Yeah, around 18.8. Okay, about 18.8, and that would be this fifth wave coming up in here. Then probably an ABC pattern, I would imagine, would come in. Okay, that would be typical. 5 waves, then an ABC. I mean, you can see the 5 pretty clearly. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've already broken through the 786, having a little bit of a pullback here. That 5 up to 18.8. All right, pretty clearly you can see 5 waves coming in there. All right, then the RSIs are going to be a little high. You can see bearish divergence starting here on the 4-hour. All right, if we should get that 5th wave push up here. All right, but you have this high, then you have a lower high right here on the RSIs. These highs are the same. The 8-hour, all right, the 8-hour is actually pushing down once again. Lower low over here. The 12-hour, right at the top, actually bearish 85 and a 92. You can see that RSI is trying to push back to the upside here. Should get one more push out of this thing. The 1-hour, right at the very top here. All right, even inside here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 waves starting in here. Let's go out. Let's check these lower time frames a little bit. 30-minute rolling over. There's a 15. You got the 15 coming down, trying to get reset now. Is this going to hold that line? That's pretty huge for it to hold that line, okay? For this 5th wave to come in. Would be pretty odd to see it push up this far, with this move and get through them retracement levels and then not make it that 5th wave up. Look how high this thing went up in these levels here. So like I said, I'm absolutely expecting that push up here up to that 18.8, and then I would definitely imagine an ABC here, some kind of correction to come in. These RSIs are getting pretty high. All right, if we go out in the daily, daily is still heading up. All right, so we get this 5th wave push, we have an ABC, and then we take a shot at this these higher numbers up here, towards that 23-cent range. All right, we got the 3-day just starting up. These look great. The 3-day. Look at these. Let's get this off here. All right, get this arrow off here. This is looking absolutely fantastic. You can see a major resistance coming in up here. Let's move that out of the way. Whoops, I have that set. For that break up here. All right, not going to come off there, but you can see a major resistance level up here, right about where we're at right now. Okay, as we've had wicks up through this area, but that's about it. That was our high, actually. 19.6 right there was that high. So, and it was a wick. It wasn't a closing candle. You can see just all wicks up through here. Okay, that's what we're approaching and trying to take out right now. 3-day heading up. You got the 5-day. 5 days up there. 71 and a 73. Trying to push to the upside here. Okay, you got that high. This high here. I'm trying to see if there's any bearish divergence. It's close. All right, and if we get this one push here, this ought to bring that RSI right back up here for this 5th wave coming in here. All right, and the weekly. All right, got that weekly up at a 59 and a 66, and it's trying to push back to the upside here. All right, so we're expecting this higher push here for sure, guys, up over that 20-cent range, coming very, very soon. Let me see here. Up towards that 23 cents. That's what we're looking for. So everything's looking great. The market out there looks absolutely fantastic. All right, we cannot run straight up without having pullbacks. So like I said, I'm looking for that push up towards that 18.8, and then more than likely an ABC coming in after that. All right, so congratulations everybody. If you hung in there, good for you. We got a long ways to go here, and I wanted to show you this. Almost the biggest thing I almost missed here. Geez, I apologize. Right here, the Russell. Look at this thing. Look at it on the 4-hour. A guy, I look at a lot of his tweets about this Russell, and like he said that this was the major thing for a bull run to kick in. If the Russell didn't break out, we were not having, Bitcoin was not going to break out, and this bull run wasn't going to happen. Look at this thing. Just with, this is on the weekly, so you got the past 2 weeks, these huge green candles, just about ready to break through that 786. So this is a massive indicator that crypto is about ready to take off. All right, so that is fantastic news. We needed to see that. All right, guys, have a great day. I will be back with you very, very soon. Maybe tomorrow we'll do an update, and have a great night.